Well, I'm sure you've been seeing lots of Buicks on the highways this summer. I'd like to show you one on your screen tonight for a very special reason. Take a look at the style tomorrow that you can get on a Buick today. Even in a year when everything about a Buick is new, this Benz is Buick's greatest departure from the past.
You don't have to take my word for the fact that Buick's the boss.
And of course, this special, like all Buicks, gives you the famed $1 million ride. And there's real luxury-laden comfort in its deep, soft seats.
This Buick's a beaut.
I'll try.
There's no doubt that Buick has what people want in the lightning getaway and complete smoothness of TT Dynaflow.
Here it is, the most exciting, eye-catching example of Buick's striking new styling. There's the brilliant, performing brand new V8 engine. Try this Buick yourself.
Oh, how I love to drive my Buick with my sweetheart sitting by my side.